Hey everybody! My little flip it the right way button is not working on my phone. I've rebooted it and done lots of things. It's just not working. Oh well, I'm having a hot flash. I need something to fan me. What can I get to fan me? I don't know. Whew! It's hot flash time. Anyway, I've been out and about all morning. I did accomplish some things. I had to go get some blood work done. Thank goodness for Army veterans. That's all I gotta say, because this young lady who got my blood out of the top of my hand, she was a veteran, and I thanked her for her service. And she was good. She only had to poke it one time, and I am happy. She had been stationed at Fort Bliss, Texas, and she had been to Afghanistan and Iraq in 2002, I think it was. So I was thankful for a veteran today because she got blood out of me. I have a doctor's appointment for my physical next week, and Dr. Brown wanted me to get my blood work done, so here I am. I don't know why I'm really dark on my computer, but we'll see if that works. If I touch it and it'll focus better. So this is Friday, it's date night. And then it's a busy day at our house because I had to go get blood work done, which is an hour's drive. And then I had to wait for about an hour, and then they got the blood, and I had another hour's drive home, and then I hit Friday traffic. And so that was real bad. And finally got home. But Tulip, our little puppy, has a vet appointment this afternoon at 2:30. So she got out of the house this morning and took off. But she's back now. She and Loki are back, and she will get to go to the vet. We're going to get her spayed this next week, and she's got to have her pre-appointment, and they're going to check some other things, and it's just one of those days. You're just busy, busy, busy. And I thought, well, I got a window of opportunity here to talk to you, and then I forgot to fix this yesterday. So, but my picture of my new book is backwards because I couldn't make it work. And that made me unhappy. Let's see if I can make it work now. Nope, it's just spinning, spinning, spinning. It's not working. Oh well. Maybe they'll get it fixed. Okay, so back to basics. Today, we're doing laundry like crazy. This is the last day in our main bathroom. Yes, that ground beef stuff does work well. You don't really have to watch it. Set your timer every few minutes. Stir it real well and then drain it off, and you got some great hamburger meat. Okay, so I'm pulling out a little chip here. And this is part of our weekly home blessing. But this could be a good thing to get in the habit of doing. Changing your sheets every Friday. Getting ready for date night. Nothing like going to bed with clean sheets. I wish I had a clothesline. I would love to hang sheets out on the clothesline. It would make me very happy. Because I can just remember how they smelled. Oh, that's a good smell. That's a real good smell. We've been decluttering. So while I was out and about, I had the back end of my truck had about 10 of these sacks. Brown paper bags with handles, and it makes it easy to load the truck up and to get it out of the truck because the handles are pretty sturdy. And I dropped it off at the trailer at Walmart for Goodwill, and they sort things out and go through the bags and have a good time with it. So it is it's fun. It's fun to get clutter out of the house. I'm gonna start in again, another bag tomorrow, and just keep going at it. It's just fun to get rid of clutter because clutter gets in the way of us having a home that's easy to keep. You know, they don't call it house cleaning, they call it housekeeping. So if we can keep our homes, keep the clutter at bay, then it's going to be much easier to clean our houses and do our routines, because this clutter's not going to be standing in the way of that. Yes, clean sheets do smell wonderful, absolutely wonderful. Now, is it time for you to make a vet appointment for your puppy? You just never know. So, folks, let's get some things done today. I'm not going to be on here long because I've got some work to do since I didn't get to work this morning. Let me remind you what we've got going on as far as our sales. Clean 461 is our coupon code, but you don't need a coupon code for silver rags or rubber scrubber. And we're out of the extra large mop. We ran out right after I told you to go get them, because we got down to, we only have 10 left, and we're holding those for problem orders. We have the multi-wand, which is a powerful tool for getting things done. And I think a testimonial went out today or tomorrow about this. That is, she called it her purple mop. And I hope she was talking about this because we don't really have a purple mop. But that'd be fun to get a purple mop. I'd like to have a purple mop. We have a new feather duster, which is this silver one that's right beside me here. This one right here. This is our black one, and this is our silver one. The people who make our feather duster are in Canada, so they're in North America. And this the ostrich does not have many of these black feathers, so they couldn't keep up with our demand for them, so they asked if they could make one out of the silver feathers, and we said, yeah, sure, go ahead. So we got a few of those in to see how you liked them, and evidently you like them pretty well, so that's good. Let me think of what else I've got to talk about. I've had a cup of cafe mocha, and I am running off at the mouth. I didn't get to drink any caffeine this morning. I had to go over there fasting, so I had to stop and get some caffeine in me, or I was going to get a headache, because I like my strong coffee. So what are you doing tomorrow for Family Fun Day? Is there a festival you can go to? You know, lots of different things. And who knows why the flags are at half-mast? I saw that at school today, the school I passed, Pisgah Forest Elementary, and the flags were at half-mast. And I didn't know why that was. So if somebody knows, please tell me. I'll have to look it up. What else have we got to talk about? As I've been decluttering, I have been finding past control journals. And here is one I found that is it was just a photo album, and I put note cards in it. And I made little days of the week so that I had a different. But I posted something really cute last night from a flybaby who took sheet protector, and she took some background paper from her scrapbooking. She printed out her morning routine, her afternoon routine, her before bed routine on 3 separate sheets, and she would whatever zone we were in that week, she had the detailed cleaning list for that zone, and she did a different card for each one, and she would put them on her kitchen counter at night before she went to bed that showed what her routine was. So she would go through her morning routine, and she would check things off, because she either laminated them or put them in a sheet protector, and she could just go check. And when she took a break, she would check to see if she'd missed anything. And letting your mind work a little not trying to look at the list all the time, letting your mind tell you what to do next, and you're training it to go from one thing to the next thing to the next thing. So I make my bed as soon as I get up. I go to the bathroom, I swish and swipe, I get dressed to lace up shoes, and head to the kitchen, empty the dishwasher, and put a load of laundry in, and bam, that's my morning routine, just that fast. So doing that will help you to work this muscle that's right here that, we've been told since the day we were born, if you can't do it right, don't do it at all. Well, one flybaby testimony I read this morning, I was sitting in the doctor, waiting to get my blood pulled, and she said, I hear my dad say all the time, if you can't do it right, don't do it at all. And I've started correcting him. And he's listening. Now imagine turning that around. Imagine turning that around to teaching your parents something a little different. Because procrastination is all based on perfectionism. If we don't think we have time to do it right, we do nothing. So that's why using a timer, setting your timer for 2 minutes, and just doing something. So tomorrow morning, I know you want to get ready to go out in the world and play, but set your timer and do 2 minutes at a time of your morning routine or a weekly home blessing. Not an hour. You can do it in 15 minutes if you just do 2 minutes at a time. So 2 minutes to feather dust, 2 minutes to mop, 2 minutes to empty all the trash. The hardest part about it is changing your sheets for 2 minutes, but you could get those done today. And just 2 minutes, wipe down the nose prints off the doors, and you got it. In 15 minutes, you can have it all done. Clear off the magazines from the coffee table. Your house can look company ready just by doing a 15-minute weekly home blessing. So folks, have a good day. Enjoy it. It's date night. Clean out your car. Fill it up with gas. Be ready to go where you need to go. If you got a full tank of gas, boy, we can be out of there and playing before we know it. Just one more thing. Plan something fun to do for yourself on Sunday. And yesterday, today still, we're mourning the loss of Aretha Franklin. And when President Obama was inaugurated, I watched her sing America the Beautiful, I think was the song she sang. And she looked so amazing in her gray hat and gray coat. It was a cold January day. She looked absolutely beautiful. And, pancreatic cancer is a terrible way to go. But she left us with such a blessing. And she took Otis Redding's song, Respect, and turned it from a man's point of view to a woman's point of view. And what I heard somebody say was, she stole my song, but she turned it into our anthem. We have to love ourselves. We have to show ourselves the respect that we deserve, as well as demanding it from others. And RESPECT. Yep. We have to learn to love ourselves, respect ourselves, love ourselves, and then that respect's going to come to us. So folks, have a good day. I love you all. And let's have a good weekend. Let's just have a really great weekend. It's getting toward the end of summer, and hopefully it won't rain today, but it's probably going to rain. And let's just have some fun. Enjoy yourself and have some fun. I love you all. I'll see you later. Bye.